Good evening guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's take a moment here to look at NEO stock, which today is up by a further 4.26%. Very impressive to say the least. We are seeing NEO stock now continuing to move in the right direction. You're seeing now the stock actually higher than what we have been for quite some time. Look at the month trend, we're now up by 34.82%. This is very positive in my opinion for NEO stock. The question then becomes, where do we go from here based on what we are seeing and what we are looking to see into the next couple of days? Well, over the course of this short video, I will be sharing with you all of my personal thoughts and my opinions. If it sounds like a good watch as always, please do make sure to leave a like on it and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. At the same time, remember, this is not financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Now, jumping in, we're going to come over here and have a look in a bit more detail. You guys will know the story about NEO's offering where the share price dropped on that news, coming below the $6 range into the $5 again. Now, however, we've seen the stock break above critical levels, and we're now looking at a potential break into new highs, as you have seen NEO stock break 680, just having a lot of difficulty though remaining above that point. Now, this in itself is very impressive. And I think what we're seeing today in the late part with this consolidation is also very, very good news here. I think this is a very strong sign. So like I say, a lot of consolidation coming in here. This is actually coming in at previous points of support, which I am going to call roughly 640. 640 is holding up nicely. We'd love to see that hold again. If this holds into the next few days, you're looking for a potential push significantly higher. That is, of course, if we can break and remain above 680. I think what's going to be most important into the next couple of days is maintaining this growth, right? If the stock was to drop slightly, that's not too concerning. If we're down to drop to the 628 range, 630, something like that, that is not too bad. But ultimately, we want to keep this consolidation phase going, and I would even consider a drop down to 628 to ultimately be a consolidation, right? It's still way above where we were just a few days ago. It gives indicators like the RSI more than enough time to cool off, and then of course we're looking for that push up to the 670s, 680s for that potential push even higher. Now, to give my summarising thoughts in this short video, I think today is yet another win for NEO stock. I think this is a company, a business, and obviously a share price, which is absolutely moving in the complete correct direction. Things here looking very positive. I'm very impressed. So a lot more to come, as I say, in the next few days with NEO. This is going to be very much a stock to watch. Let me know what you think to this one in the comments. Again, I've highlighted some of the key levels that I am looking for. If we see a push to the upside, if we break 680, it could really be absolutely off from there. So time will tell. If you guys are ready to get serious about trading for less than the price of a coffee every day, I've got to tell you about the new Patreon page that I have just launched. That's right guys, I have a new Patreon. I'm going to be sharing everything on here, from my personal stocks that I am watching to pre-market updates, as well as a Discord group which I have started. It's going to allow you to access similar-minded, like-minded people who are also interested in sharing their knowledge about the markets. I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff over here guys. There's going to be a lot of exclusive content coming in the next couple of weeks, but do bear in mind, for most of the tiers, spots are limited. The Market Scout, where you'll gain access to the Discord, prices will change after 150 members. At the moment guys, I'm limited for time, so the Trader's Edge course and above, we're limiting the courses even lower, right? There's a limited amount of people who can join. At the same time, depending on the level of mentorship that you want, we have prices going all the way up from $14.50 to the highest tiers over here that you can see. Again, if you're looking to take your journey to that next level, on these middle tiers, this is personally the one that I would recommend, even though it's not the most expensive. It costs less than a coffee every single day, and the amount of information that you'll get here, in my personal opinion, is absolutely worth the value. At the very least, guys, you can become a member for free. The link is down in the description, the comment section, and the bio. Just give it a look and see what you think. And of course, feel free to sign up if you're looking to take your journey even further. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video.